New this morning, President Obama once again tackling what he calls outrageous myths about health reform.
Illegal immigrants would not be covered. That idea has never even been on the table. Some are also saying that coverage for abortions would be mandated under reform. And as every credible person who has looked into it has said, there are no so-called death panels, an offensive notion to me and to the American people.
I'm joined now live from Washington, D.C. by NBC's Mike Viquera. Mike, with another good Saturday morning to you, my friend.
Good morning, Alex.
I understand lawmakers on both sides of the argument are saying today they're dealing with rumors and myths as well. So it's bipartisan rumors and myths.
Alex, it's certainly been a difficult summer for the president's health reform initiative. There's no question about it. Start with the fact that in July, he had asked both the House and the Senate to pass separate versions of that legislation. Of course, they were unable to do so. Move into August, those same lawmakers go home. They get an earful by now. We're very familiar with those scenes from the town halls filled with angry citizens, very anxious about the plans that were circulating in Washington. The president has been on defense now for several weeks in a row against what he has called misleading information. But you're right. Republicans say it's not only those people in town halls that are giving voice to this information and propagated by some, including the insurance industry, according to President Obama, but they're saying that President Obama is not telling the complete truth about what his plan would do. Representative Tom Price is one such Republican. He's an orthopedist from Georgia. Here's what he had to say.
The president has said he'd like to stamp out some of the disinformation floating around out there. The problem is the president himself plays fast and loose with the facts. The president regularly tells Americans that if you like your plan, you can keep your plan. Experts agree that under the House bill, millions of Americans will be forced off of their personal, private coverage and shuffled onto the government plan.
Well, Alex, perhaps it's time for everybody to take a deep breath at this point. The president, for his part, ensconced with his family at Camp David in Maryland's Catoctin Mountains. Tomorrow scheduled to begin a week-long vacation on Martha's Vineyard. And, of course, Congress continues out of town until after Labor Day. When they come back, Alex, it's really going to be something as they try to move this bill through the House and the Senate.
Oh, yeah, so much to watch. So we thank you for your help, as always, Mike Viquera.
Certainly.